What's up, guys? Alright, so this is officially an extremely cold start on a modified Abarth 500 in a snowstorm. Here we go. Okay, so as everyone knows, we had a major snowstorm the last 2 days over here in New York, and it is still snowing. Work is canceled, schools are canceled. I mean, that's pretty much buried. You think I'll be able to get out of this? Oh, that'll be pretty fun. This is gonna be really fun. We'll let it warm up a little bit, and then we'll see if we can at least back up and then pull forward to the left, because the whole front end of the car, I don't think I'm not gonna even try that. I'm just gonna try to back up and then come out this way. We'll see. Nope, that's not gonna work. Alright, so we officially dug the Abarth out of the snow. It was pretty easy, not so bad. But if you look inside over here, there is snow stuck inside the wheel, and it's so packed in there. I'm just gonna get a little brush, get all that out. And then if we look over here in the back as well, same thing. A whole bunch of snow packed in there. Look at the wheel imprint. That's awesome. But we're gonna clean off this car. I'm not gonna go driving in this weather. I just wanted to get the car out so that in a few days, when all the slush is gone, we can go for a drive. But yeah, look at all that was under the car over here. So we're gonna shovel all this up right now, knock down this wall a little bit, and then we should be good. Now, one more thing that people always ask me about is, because I got the hood vents, does water or anything like that get inside the engine bay? The answer is no, because it does come with rain guards, both on the left and the right side. And we're gonna do a test now to see if any snow or water, anything like that, got inside from the snowstorm. Dry, bone dry, nothing. So these are the rain guards. These are the rain guards. Nothing got inside. Bone dry. The engine is very dirty, so don't mind that. I gotta give it some love. Repaint some things. Besides that, she is good. So yeah, the only time I take the rain guards off is pretty much when I go racing up in Tennessee, Tail of the Dragon, anything like that. But besides that, they always stay on. But when you do take them off, the amount of heat that's coming out of here is it's unbelievable. All right, the car is officially dug out. Took all the snow out from inside the wheel. That is all out as well. That's it. She still looks good in the snow, all dirty. Gotta get all this off. I hate the snow. All right, let's give you a little two-step action, shall we? I'm gonna place you down right over here. I'm gonna give you a little two-step. Car's all warmed up. That right there is the Elgato exhaust with a 200 cell downpipe, small resonator, and then straight through the back. Sounds good, doesn't it? All right, guys, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.